We have a new best stock in the market, according to Josh Brown on his list. It's Disney. How did this make the cut?
Yeah, I was very surprised myself. You know, one of the reasons why we keep this list is so that rather than just accept what the narratives are, just generally speaking on social media or in the media, we can see what's going on with our own two eyes and what's actually working. And this is a big surprise for me. 7 entertainment industry stocks are now on the list. Disney is one of them. Liberty Media is on there. Live Nation, Netflix, which we've talked about, Spotify the same. Roblox is on there, and so is Take-Two. And if you're not paying attention to stocks and you're just listening to broad market commentary, sometimes you could miss the forest for the trees. I think what's going on here is very simple. Stephanie said this in the A block, and she's exactly right. The consumer is consuming. The median year-to-date return for these 7 media stocks on my list is 17.5%. The median return for every other stock in the S&P is about 1%. So this area of the market is outperforming despite everything that we hear about how stressed the consumer is. 90% of the S&P entertainment names are within 10% of a 52-week high. The only one that isn't is Warner Brothers, which has its own problems. Disney is a really great setup, in my opinion. The stock popped onto our list because Wall Street is now giving the company a lot more credit for 125 million global Disney Plus subscribers. They have 12% market share in streaming, video on demand, which is probably their most important growth business right now. They did about $3 billion in streaming revenue last quarter, and they're having a pretty decent box office summer so far. Not amazing, but not bad. The setup here is very simple. A break below $100 tells you the momentum is gone and the market's opinion is shifted. That's a really easy stop loss to implement. On the way up, about 120 would be a pretty massive breakout, given how long it's been consolidating. I don't know what the catalyst needs to be for that to happen, but if and when it goes, there just aren't a lot of sellers left here. So I really like the setup for investors. Maybe not short-term traders, but for investors. I think this one could work.
Yeah, I mean, the others on the list, Netflix, record high, Roblox, 52-week high, Spotify, record high, Take-Two, record high as well. All right, up next, Santoli. He's here with his midday word.